Find or read reviews that people are talking for iCoolGoGo portable chair with carry bag, durable and ultralight folding chair. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Premium quality and portable. The iCoolGoGo folding chair is a premium outdoor chair that's almost as small as a drink bottle. Comes with a convenient carrying bag that allows you to carry your lightweight camping chair anywhere. High-quality material selection. iCoolGoGo folding chair is made of the highest quality materials 7 Series aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, 210D diamond ripstop fabric. Solid double stitching and large solid rubber foot protection made of non-slip, wear-resistant material. They are the ultimate combination of durability and flexibility, strong enough to support 300 pounds for a lifetime of use. Quick open and anti-tip design. The iCoolGoGo ultralight chair is an outdoor solution that you can install in just 5 seconds. Our anti-tip folding chairs keep you stable in all environments. Fits anywhere. Whether you're on the lawn or out on an adventure, iCoolGoGo's folding chairs have you covered. Perfect for fishing, BBQs, picnics, beach days, music festivals, sporting events and backpacking trips. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.